All that jewelry that you loved to wear that's just sitting there because it's lost its sparkle. Now you can bring your jewelry back to life. With the new Flitz Jewelry Care System, you can safely clean and polish all of your jewelry to a beautiful shine, all from the comfort of your home. Use the cleaner to restore your diamonds, gemstones, and precious metals instantly. Removes hairspray, lotions, and makeup in seconds. Simply dip it, brush, and wipe off. Instantly remove oily buildup and perspiration. The difference is breathtaking. Apply the polishing cream onto the ultra-soft cloth and then polish and buff gold, silver, and platinum. And Flitz protects all your precious metals for months. Restore your collectibles with ease. Transform your precious heirlooms to like-new condition for the next generation. Flitz is even safe on pearls. Get the same results at home without the trip to the jewelry store.
It is the best ever made. Look how pretty my ring is. It's awesome, awesome product.
The Flitz Jewelry Care System is eco-safe and made in the USA. Your system includes a jar of diamond and gemstone cleaner, a tube of precious metal polishing cream, jewelry basket, the precision cleaning brush, and ultra-soft polishing cloth, all for just $19.95 with free shipping. And we'll double the offer for just a separate fee. That's 2 jars of the cleaner, 2 tubes of polishing cream, 2 brushes, 2 jewelry baskets, and 2 polishing cloths. Now that's an incredible offer. But we're not done. We'll send you an ultra suede polish applicator when you order the second system.
I don't use Flitz just because we produce it. I use it because it works. That's why I personally guarantee results or your money back.
Order now by calling the number on your screen or shop online at getflitz.com.
1-800-558-8611.
Everyone should try it. You'll buy it, I promise.